Subscribe the HN Studio channel and press the bell icon for future updates.
What is up guys, HN Styles here from HN Studio. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to change reflections of someone's glasses using Adobe Photoshop CS6. So let's get started. Open a picture of someone you would like to use for this project. Now select zoom tool and zoom over these areas. Now select pen tool and select the glasses. Now press right click and click on Make Selection. If you see this message, click OK. Now press Ctrl and Command T to make a new layer. Now press and hold Ctrl and click on layer 1. Now add a layer mask. Now drag your reflection photo over your photo. Now press and hold Alt and drag it to layer 1 and click on it. Now set the reflection as you like. Now reduce the opacity approximate this much. As you guys can see, we easily change the reflection of glasses. So that's all for now. Meet you in another video. So till then, keep smiling and be happy.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me.